Hi, it's Janet McHugh. Tonight we're going to go over doing a home facial. Tonight I'm going to do a cellular renewal mask. It's one of the products that I happen to sell. Let me just show you real quick. It is my Arbonne product. And I don't like putting my fingers in products. I think I told you that before. And I talked about keeping these cute little spatulas you get in with all sorts of products. So that's where this is going to come in handy. Now let me tell you, first of all, when you buy a new mask or any type of skin cream or skin lotion or start a new skin routine, you have to realize, first of all, do a skin test. I've already done a skin test on this because I've used it before. Second of all, when you start a new skin routine, it takes time for your skin to get used to it, okay? Your skin's not just going to magically start getting better the first time you use it. It's going to take several weeks of your skin adjusting to the new product, and you're going to start noticing a gradual change. You might notice a slight redness the first time you use a product. Give it time is my bet, unless you break out in a rash, of course. But if it's just a little bit of a pinkness, like I said, do your skin test first. If you find that it burns, itches, wash it off right away. Don't use the product. So that being said, I already know that this product you shouldn't go out and lay in the sun the day after using this, okay? That's not recommended. However, I'm not going to be in the sun for a couple days. That's just how I am. I'm good using this. We use my spatula to put it in. I've got a mirror to the right of my camera. A couple tips. If you've ever had a hair get into a mask, nothing more painful than pulling it out when it dries. That's why I've got my hair pulled back in a band in addition to having it all pulled up. Okay, so let me take my glasses off and just give you an idea about putting it on. See, it's nice and soft. Okay, so I just take and see if I can get this up where you can see the product. Smear it on. Middle two fingers. My skin has already been cleaned, okay, and dried. You put this on really thick. Most masks you put it on, I won't say really thick, but be generous. Don't put it on around your eyes, okay? Keep it off your lips. They're okay to use on your neck, okay? If you feel your neck is an issue, by all means, put it on your neck. Okay, you should be able to see how I've got that on there. Clean index finger on there. And put some on this side too. I think I've got it where you can see. If you do get some in your eyes or on your lips, wash it away right away. Rinse your eyes with a good saline or a good solution. Okay. Even with my hair pulled back, I can feel a hair getting in there. I always do my neck. That's just me. Now, once this is on, the best thing you can do is to lie back and enjoy it. I know some women, they're up and busy and cleaning the house and everything else. This is only going to be on for a few minutes. I'm going to cut a couple slices of cucumber, put them over my eyes, and enjoy how that feels. And of course, I'm going to set my little alarm first. Got a little more. Put it right there across my forehead. Go down my nose. Keeping it out of my eyes, of course. And off my eyebrows. You can get it on your eyebrows. It's not going to kill you, but I've definitely felt better things than washing a mask off my eyebrows. Makes them nice and stiff, though. So this is the thicker you put down, the longer it's going to take to dry. What I would recommend is if you buy this or any type of mask and you do it and you're like, oh, I'm going to go do this tonight. Go do it tonight, but do just a little patch like on the side of your face or something like that. Leave it on, follow the directions. This is 5 to 7 minutes is what this says. I'm going to wash this now. And leave it on for your 5 to 7 minutes. Do your skin test, wash it off, however it says to wash it off. Leave it for 24 hours and see how your skin looks and feels the next day. When I do a skin test on this type of product, I don't do a little bitty one. I do, you know, like a quarter size. That way I know how it really works. Plus that way it's hideable by makeup if it looks horrible. Okay, so I'm going to lean forward and hit pause on the video, and then I'll be back when this is dry and we'll see how